Hell on Wheels.
Hey guys, I told you that I would give you a little bit of how to record your conference. So you log into Skyward, press sign in, then you go up here to teacher access, my conference scheduler, then over here you go mass add time slots. Right here, mass add time slots. Then you go to the date that you want. So I already did the 21st for myself. And then I actually did the morning of the 22nd because I couldn't understand how to record myself. So now I'm going to do the 22nd, and then you decide what time. So usually I usually try to give parents like a 3 o'clock p.m. and then the end time would be 5 o'clock. So I give them an extra hour. You leave it as 15 minutes, and then you just press mass add and close. High date cannot. Oh, whoops! I didn't change that. So I didn't change the high date. So you want to have it on the same date. My bad. Mass add and close. And I already did that, so it'll be fine. So let me give you another one. Let's say 1 o'clock p.m. I'm just giving you an example. It's 2 o'clock p.m. Mass add and close. And then it'll just activate it, and then it'll go right in here for the parents to sign up. Easy enough? I hope so. See, now I'm going to delete a time slot because I don't want that 1 o'clock to, oh goodness, 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. So I'm just showing you how to delete something really quick. And the 1 o'clock. Make sure this is on PM. 2 o'clock PM. And let's see, process. Let's see if this works. Yeah, there you go. And we're good to go. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, let me know. All right, good luck.